Hi guys, right now we are outside and look at this view right here. This is amazing. It's kind of windy. Well, I was telling Jennifer, even though it is windy, the waves are tremendous out there. You can just go in and swim. Look at that waves, guys. Jennifer is going to be super afraid of those waves. Look how strong they are. Super strong waves. Those little huts there for you to sit and relax. That's amazing. And this is where we are right now. This is called Paradisus. This is the pyramidal buildings. There are 5 pyramidal buildings. If you can see, there's 1, 2 on the other side, and 3, 4. And we're on the 5th one, which is the Royal Service. And check out what the Royal Service is. The Royal Service right here, you can reserve one of these huts here. I have my wonderful gentleman here to help me out to reserve the huts. Yeah, he always, now people, they always do this. That doesn't mean they're hiding their name tag. They're not. They're greeting you with their heart. That's what I love about that. Gardino.
That means, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Wait for everybody in here, okay?
Thank you so much, Gardino. So this is the hut right here that you can come. You can have a look at this hut. This is the private hut. All right. If you reserve this hut, then you're here for the whole entire day for yourself, anytime you want. And there's a big, nice pool.
Snacks and drinks.
Relax. Snacks and drinks too. Gardino just said snacks and drinks, unlimited alcohol, any kind of drinks you want at all. And there's that little pool over there. This is an adult-only area. Okay, where it's like so exclusive. So exclusive. There you go. Amazing place. Right now there's nobody yet. You can see that there's only me and Jennifer. Nobody yet, according to Gardino. Yesterday they were partying all night and people are still sleeping in there. So by 10 o'clock they're going to be massive here. I heard that this is almost 100% booked hotel. Anyways, see you later. It's 1:30, almost 2 a.m. in the morning in Cancun. We just arrived in Cancun. The weather is super.